welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do. We're going to be making a lot of things here that I'd hate for you to miss out on. Today we're going to make one of my favorite side dishes and accoutrements to any burrito, or basically anything that you want to have with a little Mexican flair. So what we're talking about is cilantro lime rice. No need to get online at Chipotle anymore. You could make this at home. It's pretty easy. Olive oil, butter, as you might imagine. We need rice. We're going to use 2 cups of basmati rice. Why basmati? This is an Asian style rice. Yes, I know. It's very aromatic. And we're going to toast it just a little bit in butter and olive oil. And that's really going to bring out a lot of the aromatics that go very, very well with the lime and the cilantro. Trust me on this, you're gonna love it. There's no garlic in today's recipe. We do have salt, so we're going to add in a couple of teaspoons of salt. We have a lime and fresh lime juice. So we're going to zest this guy, and we're going to top it off with, I'm using Key West lime juice, Nelly & Joe's, because I like the flavor. Any lime juice will do, but yeah, we're going to upscale it a little bit. Fresh cilantro, we stem this, and I'm going to mince it up, so we're going to dice it really fine. This way we don't have any large chunks inside of the rice. Although if you like the bigger pieces of cilantro, feel free to do it. Don't mince this too early in the process, because it may get wilted. So we're going to do this right before we get it in the pan to make sure that all of the oils and the flavor of the cilantro is ready to jump into that lime rice. If you don't want the rest of that lime to go to waste, have a Corona or 2 while you're making this. So we'll zest it, we'll get the juice out, we'll put the rest in our Corona so we have something to enjoy while we fix our dish. I really like the ratios that we have here and that we've given you here, but take it where you need it to go. You could also throw some garlic in during the frying of the rice. You can do that, throw a clove of garlic in there, slice it up nice and thin, or get minced garlic and give it another dimension. Those are all things you can do to make this even more exciting, and useful for you and your family. Okay guys, there we have it. Very hot cilantro lime rice, waiting for the burrito or chicken of its choice. That is good. That is good. Look out, Chipotle, we're coming. This is good stuff. Made this at home. Cooked on the stovetop for about 15 minutes total. You can't beat it. It's just such a treat, and we're glad that you were able to go along with us for this ride. Of course, comment below. Let us know what you would pair your cilantro lime rice with, and maybe we'll make it happen. Until next time, let's keep the food, the beer, the wine, and the fun flowing.